Desserts is always one of my favorites. As I've mentioned, the So Good range, you can literally do anything in a flash. So today I am going to do a jelly whip. So I'm going to start off by making some jelly, put it in the fridge, prep some whip, and the rest of the dessert will come together. As you can see, everything has been dissolved. So what I'm now going to do, 200 ml of cold water. Give it a good stir, and this will now go into the refrigerator for about 10 to 20 minutes so the jelly can cool down. It must cool down, but it must not set because we need to add it to our whipped cream. Now, basically 250 ml of ice cold water, 150 grams, which is the batch pack of our dessert whip. And we're going to whip this up. While we're using it at a very slow mixing speed, and now add our jelly. And look at that. Now to decorate it with some berries. Our dessert is prepped. This is going to the refrigerator for at least 2 hours because we need the jelly to set, and then dessert will be well deserved. Our strawberry dessert is done. Now, as we know, the proof is not in the pudding, it's in the tasting and the eating thereof. Let's have a look. This is looking delicious. Now, the big moment. This is so good.